Tom's Harvest Garden, which is the Montana State University's horticulture farm. And we are looking at a flower strip that was implemented as a habitat management practice for conserving native bees and aiding in pollination services.
This flower strip will provide a continuous, constant source of food for the bees to maintain their populations and communities across the whole season.
There are bees that visit this flower strip that look like flies.
Yeah.
And bees that look like little teeny tiny wasps. And I mean, people just don't realize that they're bees.
I get asked a lot about how are the bees doing, and usually people are, when they say that, they're asking about honeybees. So I've sort of made it my own personal mission to try and emphasize that there are other bees besides honeybees that are also encountering difficulties for the same kinds of reasons. The other thing that we're looking at as part of this project is whether or not they're economically beneficial to farmers if they're able to collect and sell the seed for profit.
We're going to be putting out a technical bulletin on how to implement a flower strip just like this. We're also going to be putting together some plant fact sheets. So for every one of these species, there were some really interesting things that happened as far as how easy was it to get these plants established, how much did they fill out, how much seed did they produce, how difficult was it to collect the seed, how difficult was it to clean the seed. We would also like to put together basically a native bee booklet for farmers to be able to identify some of the most common species of bees that we found on these farms.